I'm going on a trip to the East Coast for a week, and I'm going to try to fit everything in this one bag. This is your first time finding me. Hi, my name is Sylvia. I make sourdough and paint it, and I also make travel content. So like and subscribe if you want to see more of that. The activities I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be going on a big hike and a Broadway show, out to dinner a few times, and I'm going to visit like friends and family. So I'm going to do a lot of different outfits, and I haven't done a packing video like this in a while. I actually used to be a travel blogger, and I would make posts about this all the time, how to pack in just a backpack for a small trip. So I'm gonna bring it back and we're gonna do it again and see if I can fit all of my outfits in just this one bag. And my dog food, which takes a lot of space. So I think I'm gonna do 3 actual outfits to last me the week that I can mix and match if needed, which should be honestly more than enough. I can go lighter, but it doesn't really matter for this trip because I'm just going to visit my family. So I'm doing a lot of stuff. I want to have cute outfits. It's not like backpacking where I have to go super light. So I always start with bringing just like a workout set, something I can hike in, work out in, whatever, just like a sports bra and leggings. And then I always bring an extra pair of leggings in case I run out of outfits and I want to be lazy. I'm also bringing my hat. And I always bring this when I do big hikes. It's like, it's supposed to be a base layer. Actually, I don't really know like what its purpose is, but I use it as a base layer for skiing sometimes, and I wear it hiking now, and it's great because it's super thin and it still like keeps you warm. I don't know how to explain it, it's great. I'm also bringing this puffer, which is super easy to pack. I take it on all my hikes as well. It's super lightweight, and I'm going to need it because we're doing like 4,000 feet of elevation, so the weather will change. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. I wanted outfits that are casual and lightweight and easy to pack because I will be in New York City for a lot of the time and going to like nice dinners. So I feel like this could be dressed up or dressed down, or I don't know. This is outfit number 2. They're just a pair of linen shorts from Quince and a top from Abercrombie. So they're both just like plain that I can interchange them if I need to, and it's probably gonna be hot because and this is gonna be my outfit for when I go to a Broadway show. It's just a pair of linen pants from Abercrombie and a linen vest top. I have this bag that I wanted to match it with. It's black and has like the white on the stitches, and I'm bringing this bag because it's super flat. I can just like slide it in the bag, probably like where my laptop goes. So then I can still have like a fit when I'm using just the backpack. So for shoes, I'm gonna bring these little black flats to wear when I'm trying to look nicer. And I'm gonna wear sneakers on the plane, and I'm gonna bring my Ultra trail runners instead of hiking boots because I'm probably really only gonna go on one hike, and if I can do a 14er in these, I can probably do anything in these, you know? I'm just gonna bring, hiking boots are too big for the backpack trip. And while I'm traveling, I'm gonna be wearing my Dr. Scholl's time off shoes. I got these a while ago because they went super viral, and they're so great. They have really good arch support. I could wear these all day, and they're cute enough that like if I need to wear them out, and if I don't want to wear like, because these flat shoes are so flat, so like I could still wear these and probably get away with it at like a nice dinner. I don't know. I also live in Denver, so you can get away with anything, but. And on the plane, I always wear a sweatsuit because I always need to have sweatpants with me at all times. I don't know, that's just how I am. And a sweatshirt because I get cold on every flight. Doesn't matter if it's summer, I will be cold at some point. So I need to bring like a big sweatshirt, and that's why I travel in it, because if I try to pack it, it's just gonna take up too much space. I think I'm actually gonna leave these pants out because they're so similar to the linen pants. It's just like a black flowy pant, so I'm actually gonna leave these out. I forgot to mention that I'm also gonna bring this little, it's like a light jacket sweatshirt kind of thing. Just like a light zip up kind of thing. I actually might wear this on the plane now I'm thinking about it, but we'll see how much room I have. So I'm gonna try to add this puffer in here because it's kind of like my last piece of clothing that I know I'm not gonna need on the plane. All right, we did it. This is all of the clothes I'm bringing for a week in this one little packing cube. This is what I'm putting my shoes in. I think I showed it earlier. I have my trail runners to hike in. Then I'm going to bring these as my nicer shoes. So at the bottom of the bag, I'm just gonna put the shoes. I know I won't need those on the plane. And then I have my packing cube full of all my clothes. It's already pretty full. A few other things I'm packing is my bag for when I go to the Broadway show, hat for my hike, my camera, dog food, my little mini tripod that I got, so I can film some fun content when I am in New Hampshire, and a necklace. So yeah, that's everything I have for a week in this bag. It's actually not that heavy at all. But yeah, that's how I do a week in one small-ish backpack. And I will be sure to document the trip. So follow along to see some more stories from the trip. I'll be making some sourdough when I am home. See you on the road.